Hi guys, this will be short. This is I-8. So I'm going to show you how to do this type of problem. So selected values of the continuous function f of x are shown in the table below. Given that the trapezoidal sum approximation for this integral from 0 to 9 of f of x using 3 subintervals is 82.5, what is the value of k? All right, so here's the x values, here's their corresponding y values. We need to find what k is. So the picture is optional, but I drew like a picture here. I assumed that k was between 14 and 7, or I didn't assume it, but I just said suppose, for the sake of my picture. So let's just suppose k is somewhere between 14 and 7 for my picture. Then, the points look like this. And remember, these trapezoids are on their side. So the bases are really the y values, and then the heights are the difference in the x values or the length of the interval. All right, so what you got to do is you got to find the areas of all 3 trapezoids, and then we're going to set their sum equal to 82.5. All right, so for the first trapezoid, the base 1 is 16, base 2 is 14, and the height is 2. So it's 16 plus 14, the height is 2, and then you divide by 2. So that's the area of the first trapezoid. The area of the second trapezoid, base 1 is 14, base 2 is k, the height is 4, and you divide by 2. And then the third trapezoid, base 1 is k, base 2 is 7, the height is 3, you divide by 2. And that's got to be equal to 82.5. All right, and then you just simplify. This is just 16 plus 14 is 30, plus the 4 over 2, that ends up being 2. And then that's 3 halves. All right, so I just continue to work this out. 28. All right, so combining like terms, I end up with 3.5k. Sorry, you can't even see. 3.5k plus 68.5 is 82.5. Equals 14. So you end up with k equals 4. And that's the answer.